Step 1. Gather your materials. Look at the first image. You will need white paper, a black marker like a Sharpie, a pencil, a ruler, colored pencils or crayons, an eraser. Step 2. Draw the heart shape. In the second image, you can see the heart outline. Fold your paper lightly or measure the middle using your ruler. Draw a heart shape using a pencil. Start from the top with 2 curves and join them at the bottom to make a point. Use the ruler to make sure the heart is balanced on both sides. Step 3. Draw vertical lines across the paper. In the third image, vertical lines are drawn. Use the ruler to draw straight lines from top to bottom across the page. Space each line evenly, about 1 centimeter apart, for a neat grid. Be careful to draw lightly over the heart with your pencil.
Grids and patterns, imperfect and true. Every shape holds a part of you. The curves may twist.
Step 4. Add horizontal curves inside the heart. Look at the fourth image. Inside the heart, instead of straight lines, draw curved lines. Start each curve from one vertical line to the next. Make the lines bend inward at the top and bottom of the heart to give it a 3D effect. Step 6. Create the 3D illusion with more curves. In the sixth image, extra curved lines are added. Add more curved lines between your first lines to create a 3D effect. These curves should follow the shape of the heart and fit between the grid lines. Step 7. Color your optical illusion heart. Look at the final image. Use your colored pencils or crayons to color the squares and curved sections. Try a checkerboard pattern or use different colors for the heart and background. Alternate colors to make the heart pop out from the page. Your optical illusion heart is ready. You have created a magical 3D heart that looks like it is popping off the page. Show your creation to your family and friends.
Your love still outlines.